This is not a joke. Claude Code has been leaked by Anthropic. Let me explain to you what this means and what actually happened. It sounds like it's fake, but it's not. Validated by good old Grok. At 4 a.m., Anthropic pushed a new update. Cool, normal, not a big deal, but the problem is they added a debug file. But it wasn't a small one. It was one with 500,000 lines of code. Private source code, basically the whole brain behind Claude Code. And the internet moves fast. A young kid out of Korea instantly downloaded that file and put it out online public. So the big question is, how long before we don't have to spend $200 on a Claude Code Max plan? Because that would be quite nice. And the internet does what the internet does. It was instantly cloned, ready? 44,000 times. I guess Anthropic now is open source. That's literally what that means. It is now open to the public. All of the brains behind Claude Code is now available to the public for anybody else to use. And here's the crazy part. This happened without anybody at Anthropic even noticing. And then they woke up in the morning and went, why the hell is our source code available to the public? So the conspiracy theorist in me thinks that's the second leak over the last 2 weeks. Weren't they just having some issues with the good old GOV? Could this be an internal leak, intentional? I don't know. We'll get back to what happened. So the first thing is they tried to troubleshoot the major thing and send DMCAs to everybody, which basically means is we're about to sue your ass. So one of these young guys, brilliant minds, says, wait, I'm getting sued by Anthropic. Why don't I just take all of the source code and rewrite it in Python and call it Claude Code? And now it's completely legal because it is not the original source code. It's rewritten in Python. But then he's like, hey, you know what? Why don't I just rewrite it in Rust, which is a completely different environment and language. And now we have that available. So here's the punchline. Anthropic built an AI inside to make sure that it doesn't leak any code. And then guess what? It actually leaked its own source code. You literally can't script this. Well, actually, they did script it and then they shipped it to all of us. And then one developer jumped on, rebuilt it in another language, and now everybody can use it in the whole world. And it also AI is quietly erasing copyright.